Let's wake up Mom and Dad.
You are late, Sophia.
Good morning, sleepyheads.
Good morning, family. Good morning, Javier.
We are ready. Here we come.
We will meet the animals.
Wow, I'm so excited.
Here comes the waterfall.
Wow, what a view!
Wow, what a view. The water follows the river. Look at that, Sophia.
Wow, these mountains!
Here we come, the first destination. Look up, there is a surprise.
Look at him sleeping!
Wow, no wonder it has 3 toes. Do sloths ever fall down?
I hope not.
Bro, time for a little break.
I'm hungry for this.
This is so crunchy.
What are those? Oh no, my cookie!
Honey! Honey, come and help!
Okay, leave it to me. It's okay, Sophia. Feed them.
It's okay, sweetie.
I'm so sorry about that. Here we come. A safer place.
Wow, that's so kind.
Yay! We have banana pancakes!
We are glad to come here.
Wow, I was hungry.
Look what I caught! Thank you. Thank you.
Next up, the waterfall.
Yay! I'm so excited! Mom, look at that! A rainbow!
You are right. It's magical.
This is a red-eyed tree frog.
Wow! It's the most beautiful frog!
Be careful, Sophia. Oh. Over here, there is a surprise.
The Quetzal birds. Wow, looks like it likes you.
Look over here. This is a Capuchin.
Huh. It's nice to meet you, fruit lover.
We've walked a lot today.
Are you tired, sweetie? Mom, look! Fireflies!
This is the big tree. This forest is truly magical. Nature is a gift. This place is also the last location. Goodbye, family. Thank you. Bye. Goodbye.
Today is the best day ever.
You are right.
We are going home tomorrow.
Oh. I still want to explore.
It's okay. It's okay, Sophia. We will also bring Tom.
That's great. Goodbye. Goodbye, Costa Rica.
Go. What's going on?